Now we are going to work out sum number 3 part B. Here again children, for comparing we need to have a look at the place value table. Now see over here, first you are going to write all the numbers 0.343, then you have 0.434, next you have 0.334, next is 0.443. So at first, as I have taught you, you need to compare the integer part, but we find that in integer part all are 0. So when integer part all are 0, we will move to the decimal part, that is the tens place first we will look into. See, here you have 3, here 4, again you have 3, again you have 4. So we will compare between these two because 3 is less than 4. In the first you have 3, 4. After 3 you have 4 in the hundreds place, and here you have after 3 here you have 3. So which will come first? This one will come first. So that is why it has been marked in the first place. Now after that this will come in the second place, 0.343. Now the numbers which are left are this one and this one. Now we will have to compare between these two. See, in the tens place both have 4. Now have a look at the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, this has 3, this has 4. So this will come first, very obvious. That why? Because 3 is less than 4. So I am marking this in the third place. Then finally the one which is left, that means this one, it will come in the fourth place. Alright, in this way you are going to compare. Next, sum number C. So for here, this one also we are going to look at the place value table. At first you are going to write all the numbers in its appropriate places. 0.720, next 7.000, next 7.200. Now children, you can bring this 0 for your convenience, okay? You are writing this 0 for your own convenience. As you can see over here, that let's have a look at the question. Here you have 7. So 7 actually means here we can bring 3 more zeros for our convenience. For our convenience we can bring 3 more zeros. Why? Because we need to compare between the place values. That is, this is the tens place, hundreds place and the thousands place. So for the comparison purpose we are bringing the zeros. As for here you can see that 0.72 is here. We can bring another 0. Now children, we can bring the 0 only because of the reason, because the 0 in the last place of the decimal does not have any value. That is why for our convenience of comparison purpose, we can introduce as many number of zeros as we want. As over here 2.07, we can introduce another 0 over here, and over here we have 7.2, so we can introduce 2 more zeros over here, so that we can compare with the other decimal numbers. So now let's get back to the place value table. So here you are writing 0.720. Now see, let's start comparing. See in the integer part, look at the integer part first. First case you have 0, second you have 7, next 7, then 2, then 0. So we are going to compare between these two, 0 and 0. So see, in the first and the last number, in the integer part both have 0. Now look at the decimal part. So in the tens place this one has 7, here also it has 7. So again both same, we cannot compare. Now go to the hundreds place. This has 2, this has 0. So which one will now come first? I hope you can understand. Yes, this one will come in the number 1 position. That means this one we are going to write it first. So that is why it has been marked as number 1. So now this will become number 2. Alright. So the remaining are these 3. So here see, in the integer part 7, here in the integer part you have 2. So obviously this one we are going to write in the next. So this is marked in the 3rd place. Now compare between these two. Here you have 7 in the integer part, here also you have 7 in the integer part. Now let's move to the decimal part. In the 10th place you have 0, in the 10th place you have 2. So which is less? Obviously this 0.0 is less. 0 is less than 2. So we are going to write this in the 4th place, and finally this one will come in the 5th place. Alright children. So you are going to listen to the explanation from the video properly and then work out the given sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.